In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a task in Todoist. This is a quick but very handy feature, especially if you find yourself creating the same type of task over and over again. Instead of manually rewriting all the details, you can simply copy an existing task and then tweak it as needed. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and that you're on the main screen where your tasks are visible. You can do this from the web app in your browser or from the desktop app. The process is essentially the same. Navigate to the project or section where the task you want to duplicate is located. This could be your inbox or any other project you've set up. Look for the task you want to copy. Move your mouse over that task and you'll see a small menu icon appear, usually represented by 3 vertical dots. These 3 dots indicate more options. If you're on mobile, you might see the same 3-dot icon either next to the task name or in a contextual menu when you tap and hold the task. Go ahead and click or tap on those 3 dots to open the options menu for that specific task. When the options menu opens, you'll see a list of actions you can take on that task, such as editing, moving, or deleting it. Among these options, look for the one labeled Duplicate. This is what will create a copy of your existing task. Click on Duplicate. As soon as you do this, Todoist will create an exact copy of the original task just below it in the same project or section. The duplicated task will usually carry over the title, due date, labels, priority, and any other details you've added to the original. At this point, you can click into the new task to make any adjustments you need, like changing the due date, modifying the description, or updating the priority level. Duplicating tasks is especially helpful for recurring processes that don't quite fit into a standard recurring task, such as project templates, weekly routines with small variations, or checklists you reuse for different clients or events. Instead of building them from scratch every time, just duplicate once, then customize. And that's all there is to it. By using the 3-dot menu and the duplicate option, you can save time, reduce repetitive typing, and keep your work